Morning. It's my third morning in Philippines. My sister and her daughter, and I'm awake. It's 5 a.m. here. It's 7 a.m. in Australia, where I came from, in Queensland at the moment. And we just had our first trekking yesterday to see the three waterfalls here in Louisiana, Laguna, where we grew up. My father was from here. Is from here. He's still here. And today, this morning, we will go to another waterfalls. It's called Aliw Falls, I think. Yesterday it was three. I can't remember the names. Talay Falls, Hidden Falls, and then the Hulugan Falls. It's so beautiful. It's worth it. Guys, try it. Pero mag-ready kayo ng footwear na comfortable. Masakit ang legs ko at the moment, ang hips ko, ang balakang ko. Siguro I'm aging kaya ganun. Pero ang saya-saya niya. Yung pagod mo, tapos hindi lang clear ang water. Di clear katulad ng ibang mga falls. Pero sige, today Aliw Falls kami, and then sa 25th of June we're flying to Cebu for 3 days, 4 days, 3 nights, 4 days to go to see another waterfalls. Nakalimutan ko na yung name. Somewhere in Mobile, what is it? I can't remember. Kawasan Falls. Yun. Ewan ko kung ilang falls dun, pero ang ganda. Super saya siya. Ito mo, namamagana ang mukha ko sa sobrang kain ng kalamay sa Louisiana. Kaya po mahilig at masarap ako magluto ng kakanin, kasi we grew up in a town where kakanin is really super yummy. Hindi mo siya makikita sa Manila, hindi mo siya makikita sa Palawan, hindi mo malalasahan yung same na, siguro dahil kinalakihan din namin. Pero ang sarap. Kahapon yung nilupak, tapos butchi, pinipit, hindi ko na malaman. Mamaya may puto, yung original puto na gustong gusto ko luto ni Manang Sandra dito sa Louisiana. Yung talagang luto siya sa kanin. Ako, kung malalaman ko lang ang recipe nung I'll be really famous in Rockhampton. Just kidding. Ang sarap talaga ng kanin na bigas. Ay, puto na bigas. Yun. Tapos kahapon bibingka pa. Oh my God. Kaya yan, I think I've put on probably a few kilos already. Sumikip yung aking rash guard yesterday, na ang luwag-luwag pa nung binili ko. So, sumaba lalo ako. Tinutokso na nga ako ng mga relatives namin eh. I'm growing daw. Sabi ko, pak off.